parable 2. It's called the Magic Penny. One lucky day you met a leprechaun who promises to give you fantastic wealth, hands you 1 penny before disappearing. You head home and place the penny under your pillow. Apparently told you to put it under your pillow, I guess. The next morning, to your surprise, you find 2 pennies. The following morning, you find 4, and the 4th morning, you find 8. So these are doubling, aren't they? It's another doubling problem, just like the rice. So he gave you a magic penny while you sleep. Each magic penny turns into 2. So on day 0 is the day you met the leprechaun. So generalizing the first 4 rows of the table. So here's the table. So day 0 is when we met the leprechaun and we got our 1 penny. But then day 1 is when we got 2 pennies. Day 2 is when we got 4 pennies. So for this one, we can just go 2 to the 1. We don't need to do 2 to the n minus 1. And so on. But they're timesing it by 1 penny to find out how much dollars it is. Okay? So if they tell us how many days, we can just do 2 to that day and then times it by. So generalizing, so here's the formula that they have from this table. So now we're going to look at a question from your homework. How much money would you have after 22 days? So use this formula here. And first I found 2 to the 22, which was 4,194,303 pennies. But to find out how much money that is, remember we times it by 0.01. And after day 22, we'd have $41,943.03. But remember on day 23, then we'd have 83,000, almost 84,000. So it's doubling every time and getting bigger and bigger.